guys, this is my dog Bennett. He's a little boy.
He bites.
He bites, by the way. Bennett, don't do that to him. Okay. Bennett, let me just hold your face for a minute. Okay, he won't bite right now, but sometimes he bites. I don't know. He won't bite right now.
But when he smiles like this,
He smiles. He's gonna bite.
yeah. So be careful about his mouth. But you're not even gonna do it.
Let's check his mouth. Okay.
He
Look, I like to flick his nose. Come on, Bennett, and see. Nose. See. Nose.
Where's the donut?
Like the toy?
No, we're gonna do fetch with him.
We're gonna do a close up of Bennett.
Now we're gonna do fetch with him. Now we're gonna do fetch with his stuffed toy.
Oh, he's so cute.
Come on it. Come on it. Watch out. Don't throw too far. He won't get it. Come on it.
I put the donut in his mouth and then I flip it over his head and it looks like a donut mask.
I found a mess. Bad.
He doesn't care that I'm doing this right now. He doesn't care that we're doing that. It's like a house party. It's like a house party, just 3 girls. Only girls. We're all 17 here. We can drive, but we don't want to drive, so we don't have a car. You see, look,
He literally has his own hands. Look. Stop. Look, Benny.
I'm just kidding. We're almost 7.
You saw that?
We're only 7, so we don't have a car.
He's
yet.
very good boy.
We're just joking
Look,
about that.
he like belly rubs. He like belly rubs. Look, he just did it again with his paw. He's a nice little boy. Get it? Where's his penis? Right there.
Film it. You watch me. It's just 3 7-year-old girls and a babysitter in this house. We could handle this. And our dog, by the way. Our dog's our babysitter. Ow!
Cry cat.
Ow! Ow! Dolly! I was only doing it for fun. You want to see my new fish, everybody?
It's so cute.
He's so cute. Shadow.
His name's Shadow.
Her name is Shadow, and this is her whole
And this is Dunkin' Donuts. Got Dunkin' Donuts today.
Donuts. Let's go back to the dog. He's bored.
He's
Cutest in the world. I'm gonna shake him.
cutest in the world. No, you have to pick him up. You're scared to pick him up sometimes.
I'm scared to pick him up. I'm scared to pick him up. He's so mean on me. Let me try to pick him up. He like literally bites me.
Did he bite you before?
Okay, that's it for the dog. Now we're gonna do a round of exercising around the house. Oh my God, she's not moving. Come on. Run. I'm still filming, girls. Get our big fat butt away. I'm tired now. I'm tired now. Skidaloo, baby. I know. She's a baby. She's a baby, but she's a babysitter. She's a babysitter. So she's a babysitter.
With that little dick.
Stop it! It's not. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Please smash that like button. Smash that like button. Smash this like button. Smash the like button. Guys, 300,000. I want puppies. If you want to be part of the family.